discuss about section 115 BAC in total. So what are the other subsections which are given in section 115 BAC? The subsection 1, which we have discussed in our first video, talks about the new tax rates, and then the subsection 2 talks about conditions to be satisfied for claiming benefit of section 115 BAC. Now subsection 3. Now what does subsection 3 talks about? Subsection 3 talks about that any losses up to assessment year 2021 will be deemed to have been given effect, in assessment year 2021-2022. That is, no further deduction of those losses will be allowed. No further deduction of those losses will be allowed from assessment year 2021-2022. However, there is a proviso over here. Now this proviso says that any depreciation allowance, if it is not given effect, up to what? If not given effect up to financial year 2019-20, then such allowance will be adjusted. In what over here? Will be adjusted in the WDV starting on 1st April 2020. Now what is it saying over here? Any proviso that is any depreciation allowance, if not given effect up till financial year 1920, then such allowance shall be adjusted in the WDV starting 1/4/2020. It will be adjusted. However, it will be adjusted only if the option under section 115 BAC is exercised in financial year 2020-21, that is assessment year 2021-22. Only if it is exercised in financial year 2021, then only depreciation allowance will be adjusted against the book value over here. If not, it will not get adjusted. Then what does subsection 4 talks about? Subsection 4 talks about that if the unit is present in International Financial Services Center, that is International Financial Services Center, okay, then in that case, apart from 80CCD, 80JJAA, 80LA will also be given to units which are present in International Financial Services Center. This subsection 4 talks about. Then what does subsection 5 talks about? Subsection 5 over here, now let's divide. Subsection 5 generally talks about the option for exercising Meaning what? Suppose say the SSE is having business income. If the SSE is having business income, then in that case, if the option once exercised cannot be withdrawn over here, cannot be withdrawn. Meaning what? If the person who is having business income, if he exercises the option under section 115 BAC, then in that case it cannot be withdrawn for subsequent assessment years. If withdrawn, what will happen? If withdrawn, then benefit of section 115 BAC will not be allowed subsequently. Meaning, if the person is having business income and if he exercises the option, then he cannot withdraw it, and if he withdraws it, then the benefit of section 115 BAC will not be allowed in the subsequent assessment years. If no business income is there, then in that case what will happen? Then the option has to be exercised separately every year. Meaning what? Meaning that if the person is not having any business income, then he has the option to exercise, he has the option to take the benefit of section BAC every year separately. He can choose whether to take the benefit of BAC or not. Okay, so these are all the subsections which are there in section 115 BAC. Now in the next video we'll be talking about the benefit and disadvantage of the new slab rates. Okay, this we'll be talking about in the next video. So thank you.